kami dito. Iba't ibang product from healthiest product manufacturing. Napakaraming tao at saka napakaraming products at maraming mga new experiences po.
Sobrang saya, sobrang napakarami naming experience dito to promote our products locally. At salamat din po sa Department of Trade and Industry na kami po ay isa sa mga naging beneficiary.
And I'm so happy and I'm glad for the experience, sa opportunity na binigay ng Department of Agriculture Region 7, and hopefully na meron pang ganitong klaseng event na magbibigay ng opportunity sa lahat ng mga entrepreneurs to exhibit or to expose their products, and I'm sure na masarap talaga ang produktong Pinoy.
Actually, this is our first time to join MAFBEX 2024, and we are so thankful and grateful for this opportunity since we have met a lot of people to close businesses with.
The best food for this year goes to Master Shomai.
Organizer of MAFBEX for choosing us the winning best food for 2024. Thank you so much.
Culinary Cup Home Chef Edition goes to Miss Leslie Ho!
Don't stop dreaming and continue sharing to the world yung essence ng food and beverage.
MAFBEX 2024